What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, y'all? Yes, indeed. Giving y'all some more real talking reactions. And before I play this reaction, y'all share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm on. Now, this is when Rafi finally talks to his baby mama's man and lets him know what it's gonna be if he puts his hand on his son.
Um, is there actually a place where me and you could talk man to man, kind of?
Yeah. I'm gonna take him to the patio. Yeah, follow me.
Oh, can you please take your shoes off? This is a shoe off kind of house. I mean, you actually should have probably taken them off downstairs, but we're here now.
You know what? Sure. Sure, I'll take them off.
Go ahead and come out here, man. So you want to talk?
Yeah, man. I'm sure you know that I came here the other day about you telling Lil D we're gonna whoop him. And
Yeah, Ashley told me. She said you came up rather aggressive.
yeah, I did.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to do this the right way. You know what I'm saying? I don't foresee you leaving his life anytime soon.
That's not my plan.
And I'll be around the rest of his life. So I'm trying to go about this in the most responsible way, which, if I'm being honest with you, what I'm doing right now is not how I usually move, but I'm trying. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? It's taking a lot. I'm trying. And the biggest thing I want to say is, man, is that I don't mind you, you know what I'm saying, being on top of Lil D and you know, making sure that he is on his P's and Q's.
Yeah.
My issue is when in your mind you believe it's okay to get physical with him. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, you know, respectfully, you aren't his father. He has a mother, he has a father. Those are the two people in this world that are gonna put hands on him for anything, and we barely do that.
So I respect the approach versus what I heard from the other day. So I don't think that's a good look for you, for me, for little D to see, or anybody, especially for how we've been working and operating lately. But I mean, I stand 10 toes down on the fact that this is my household, and he disrespected his mom several times. He disrespected me, and I gave him a lot of grace. And at the end of the day, he lives under my household.
Yeah,
right?
No, I get that, and that's cool. I 100% understand that. But I don't care where he is on this earth. Your household, the neighbor's household, it don't matter. What I'm telling you is, don't put your hands on him. If he's being disrespectful and your words aren't strong enough, call me.
So let me call you. How's that work? Last time you just came to drop by.
I was here, right?
You came to drop by. Is that consistent?
Was I here?
That's not consistent.
I'm telling you, this doesn't, remember, I'm here on a certain type of time.
I get
And
it.
I'm just making it really clear. Nothing else matters. I'm telling you, as a man, if there's an issue, it feels like it's gonna get that far, if his mom can't handle it, call me, and I guarantee you I will be here.
I 1000% will call you when there's an issue, and also talk to his mom. But where does it end? If you aren't here, I mean, we just got here to where we can see you more consistently. And again, that's not consistent. So my goal is to also teach discipline for little D. That's important. Wouldn't you agree?
Teach discipline through your words.
And I do.
That's the only way I'm taking it.
And I do teach discipline through my words.
But you understand what I'm telling you, right?
Did little D tell you everything that occurred?
It doesn't.
Did you ask the questions to little D on what occurred?
Here's what I'm telling you, and I don't think it needs to go any further. You talk to him. If you feel like your words not working, you call me, and everything will be perfectly fine. Cool?
All right.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right.
Now that went actually the way it should go. That really honestly went the way it should go. When two men can verbally have a conversation and it doesn't have to get violent. And the only way it would have got violent, the way I view it and the way I see it, is if whatever his baby mama's man name is, would have been trying to be against what Rafi just said. I definitely understand what he's saying as far as about if Rafi isn't around, if he's not able to get in touch with him for him to be around. But there is no way he shouldn't have to, there's no way he shouldn't be able to get in touch with him for him not to be around. So I get that, and I 100% feel him on that. Now the thing would be, as far as with Rafi, is if that man calls you because your son is out of pocket and he's not listening, are you gonna be there? That's the thing. That's what your son needs to see. Now, if you're not gonna be there, that's just talk, man. If you're not gonna be there, all that right there is just talk. I understand the tough guy antics and a man not wanting another man to put their hands on his child. I get all that. I get all that to the fullest. But that only makes sense is if the father of that child is there to discipline that child when he needs to be disciplined. And like I said from the moment I did a reaction to this particular skit, I said point blank, Rafi needs to have a very clear conversation with his son and make it very clear to his son he need to respect the words that come out that man's mouth. Period. And then, if he doesn't respect those words, when he gets there, he's going to get in that butt. Pause. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know what I'm trying to say. So, it went the way it should go. And I'm glad it went that way. I'm really glad it went that way. Because it should have went that way. Now let's hope that Rafi is there when he needs to be there. And don't forget, you know what I'm saying, Rafi's grandpa was ready to get it in. Rafi's grandpa wasn't feeling nothing about his baby mama putting his hands on his grandson, his great grandson. You know what I'm saying? That's real. That's how it's supposed to be. And it really supposed to be that way. But you ain't supposed to act off ignorance. Rafi supposed to do what he just did, and then if it goes beyond that, then Rafi supposed to clown. Nonetheless, until next time, share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. And leave and hit that notification bell so you know what I'm on. I'm up out of here.